Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can implement the search bars in e-commerce store. So we have got two new elements inside an e-commerce store, which is one, you can implement a search function into the menu, and two, you can implement a search function as a separate element anywhere inside of your e-commerce store. This new update will really help your users and your potential buyers to find any item a lot faster and therefore increases your revenue. Because as we know, the easier the user experience, the more they will purchase. Before, many products were unexplored and people didn't even know they're inside your store. So let me show you how you can implement the search button as soon as possible. All right, first click on Sites on the left, then on Websites at the top and select your online store. Please note this search bar is not available for the regular websites. This only works in the online stores. All right, let's edit the first homepage. Awesome. So in this scenario, we already added a menu bar. Let me remove it and let me re-edit so you can see how this has been done from scratch. So let's click on the plus sign and let's add a menu bar. Type menu, navigation, and drop it over. Okay, so this is how you add that. Now, click on the element, and on the right, you can see the menu showing up. Scroll down a little bit, and here you can toggle on to show the search bar. Okay, see here, now the search bar has appeared. Turn it off again, it disappears. Turn it on, it's right there. That's the first option, okay? The second option is to add a search bar as an element individually. Again, click plus add, type search in the search bar, drag and drop the element over, and here you can see the entire search bar showing up with suggestions of your products. There are many options how to configure this search bar. There are not so many options to configure the search bar inside the menu bar. So let's talk about how you can configure the search bar element. When selected the element on the right, you can see the search bar menu. Starting off with the color options, you can change the drop-down background color. Let's make that pink. Okay, so you can see which one it is. You can change the input background color from white to black, for example. That's the search bar here up the top. Then you can change the button color. Let's change that from white to green. That's this one right here. Then we can change the search item text color. Let's make that yellow. And then you can change the input text color as well. Make that white. That's what you would type into the search bar. I'm going to show you that in a minute. And then you can change the icon color as well. Let's change that to blue. Good. That's this little icon right here. Okay. Then next up, font options. You can change the font options so you can change the size. Okay, it's currently at 16 for the desktop version. You can click that little drop-down menu here and can switch it to mobile as well. And then you can change the font size of the mobile version. Let's go back to the desktop version. Down here, you can also change the font weight. Click on the drop-down menu and you can select between thin, extra light, light, normal, medium, semi-bold, and so on. Let's select thin. Then scroll down. Here you can change the placeholder text for the search here. I would say search your next purchase. You can see that has changed right here. And then you can also adjust the margin and the padding right here on desktop version and on mobile version. Let's add 20 right here. You can see the gap increases between the menu bar and the search bar. And let's also add 20 at the bottom. Okay, great. Then click on Advanced in order to adjust the borders and the corners. Currently, the thickness is set to 2. Let's put it at 10 just so you can see the difference. Okay, see here. Then the border color is gray. That's this one right here. Let's change it to red. Then the border style is round. You could also select this one or dot it. Then you can select the corner radius. It's currently set to 8. And you can just change the pixels by moving this bar right here. You can also turn it on and off on desktop or on mobile, for example. Now let's save this entire thing. Let's publish it as well. And let's have a look how that looks like in real life. Beautiful. Now you can search your item. Click inside the search bar and type the product you're after. Let's say headphones. And all the headphones which are available in our store will show up here. Let's select the pink ones. And you're being forwarded to the checkout page of this individual product. So this search is based on the individual title as well as on the keywords inside the description you've given your products. And that's it already. This is how you can increase your revenue in your e-commerce store today. I will see you in the next video.